Last time you left us, we were about to cross over the French Pass and we were watching the show that the dolphins decided to put up for us. Fully refueled and restocked on $5 cans of beans, we set off to cross this tricky piece of water. We are just about to go through the French Pass, being towed by Nephalle. Luckily, we were able to have a tow from our friend's boat, Nephalle. She is the faster craft and she could get us over the water quicker. We left just before slack water and got over the French Pass smoothly. Rich's first time through the French Pass. My first time through the French Pass. Robert's first time through the French Pass. Nephalle's first time through the French Pass.
Yeah, our boat has never gone this fast.
Yeah.
So it's good progress. You get a wait for it behind us easily.
One word to describe this. For your parents watching.
Special.
From here, we said bye for now to our new friends and we agreed to meet them at Cressel's Harbour in the evening. It was a 5-hour trip for us and a 3-hour trip for them. How many metres are these swells? Around 2?
Around 2 meter swells. This is after quite a blow after yesterday. Yeah, it's going quite well.
Robert's enjoying it a lot.
Yeah, I'm enjoying this. I'd say so.
So is Rich by the smell.
I am now.
I can't say it's my favourite thing in the world, but
This is what the sea is like. One day it can be completely flat, the other day it can be stormy, and the third day it can be no wind and just huge swells.
I think I'm done with sailing for a little while after today. No, it's been a good day, it's been really good. Saw dolphins, went through the French Pass, which was exciting.
How are you finding the waves?
Fine. I think I've gotten over my seasickness.
Already?
Yeah, I went for a little lie down to compose myself, give myself a pep talk for the for the journey. No, I am enjoying it. I don't know, I've only been on the sea like a few times before, so
Were you expecting this?
no, I thought it was going to be quite flat like it has been the rest of the times, because I didn't think we'd go out in it otherwise, but here we are, so enjoy the ride. How you found the trip?
I found this trip and I've had a smile on my face a lot of the time.
Yeah.
But not just me. My towel.
saying goodbye to our first backpacker. Rich. Goodbye.
Bye. Thank you. Farewell.
Describe your trip in one word.
It was sensational.
Sensational.
I had a great time seeing stuff I never would have seen on a ferry. And now I'm off to Picton.
Bye.
Farewell.
Farewell.
So yeah, the regatta is over now and we are back to our little naughty lass. We're gonna go to the petrol station, get some fuel, but we don't want to carry it all the way, so we're gonna take our little trolley.
Good job. Yeah, it's good. Keep it up, keep it up.
Right.
So in New Zealand, they don't only have kiwis, they also have like this really strange looking animal with like, I don't know, it has like a long tail or something. Look at that. We're on our way to the French Pass and Robert is extremely excited to get there. Such a hard life. We're about to be towed through the French Pass by Nephalle. This is crazy, isn't it? So we're just coming up to the French Pass, being towed by Nephalle. Very kind of them, they've been amazing to us this whole trip. We're probably going at around 6 or 7 knots right now. So pretty much, again, the maximum that our boat could do. Roger has a cup of tea in his hand in front, so nothing phases him, just a normal day. Hopefully the fog clears up, so going back over the French Pass will be as smooth as the first time, but we shall see. Robert's iPhone, this is Naughty Lass reporting that we have successfully crossed the French Pass for the second time in 2 weeks.
What are we doing, Lizette?
We literally woke up like 2 minutes ago. Plans have changed. We can't go back to Wellington like we planned to. So we're being towed just around the corner by Nephalle, and then we're going to Picton, where we're going to stay for we don't know how long yet. And then head back to Wellington at some point. So yeah, off to Picton.
To
around the corner to Queen Charlotte Sound, and from there we're on our own because they are going back home and we are going to our new home. If we liked it or not, we had to head back to Picton, which is still on South Island. We can't really fight the weather, and this boat is not meant to be in anything over 30 knot winds. And the Cook Strait is no place to be in it in those conditions.
It's cold. We are so cold. We've just left Resolution Bay and Nephalle are on their way to Wellington, just in the distance. And we are on our way to Waikara, where we will be staying for who knows how long.
So we played it safe, headed back to Picton, and let Nephalle continue our way on to Wellington.
We finally arrived at Picton, a small town with amazing views. We had to wait out the weather there for a couple of weeks.
We have here.
We can definitely imagine worse places to be stuck at whilst we wait out the bad weather to cross the Cook Strait to get back to Wellington again. We spent our time sailing around the bays and making new friends.